everybody is advertising for members. So let's solve your problem. Why Booking? Because we are not just going to tell you where are the restaurants and what do they offer. For all the managers who will be able to see the reservations and act on them in the same moment. So, basically, through search engine optimizations and also we are going to help them create a promotion or discount suitable for the restaurant. Because to insert a short example, we don't want to work with big restaurants who already have their advertising. There's also small restaurants who have dead hours. So basically what our app will also do, it's actually really, really concerning that only 28% of the people answered no. How we are going to earn money and future plans? Because for this to be successful, not to go like all the other companies, we need media support. So when we contacted for feedback, the feedback was absolutely amazing.